Hey YouTube, how we doing out there? Yeah, sorry about the bald head with some of the glare coming in. I hope I don't blind some of you guys. I want to thank you for tuning into this video. First thing I'm going to do is apologize to everyone who's viewing my channel. I know I promised that once that barrel and blade box came in, I was going to do a review on it. It's not worth the time. It's really not. And this is why I'm entitling this video, My Experience with Barrel and Blade. Okay. I'm not going to pause it and roll an intro, roll a title, or any of that. I know we usually like to, but for this one, I just want to roll this one and get it moving. As some of you saw a different video that I did, my last box with barrel and blade was delayed by 16, 17 days. In an email I got from them, they basically said, hey, problems with the post office, but you know what, I've covered all that. If I remember, I'm going to try to put a card somewhere up here on the top so you can see that video. Now here's the first thing that pissed me off. They promised there'd be a t-shirt. Wasn't in the box. I've heard from some people they were told it's going to be in the box, and I've heard from other people that they said it's going to be 3 weeks later. I'm sorry, that's bullshit. You fucked up. You promised this t-shirt. You put a t-shirt in the box. But that's my opinion. I was with Barrel and Blade for 90 days. Well, I should say 3 months. Okay? I know you're going to give me a line like down below in the description that, oh, you can't judge them by 90 days. Yeah, I can. And here's why. BattleBox lost me in 60. And I was a subscriber since, I think, Mission 5 was my welcome box from BattleBox, and Mission 6 was my very first. And I dropped off on Mission 34 because I was very upset over some stuff. I had already made up my mind that I was going to cancel Barrel and Blade because I was not impressed with the first 2 boxes I got. I got 2 boxes full of junk, in my opinion. Seriously. I gave the lower end chest rig to my son. Some of the items I still have that I'm going to do some reviews on, but nothing that just gave you the wow factor, you know? And I thought to myself, well, this month's box that I just got a little bit ago, it better be phenomenal to make me stay. And then I decided I'd like to do some other stuff with my cash, so I'd already canceled my Barrel and Blade before this crap happened. And the way the customer service happened with this really made up my mind not to go back. Barrel and Blade started off phenomenal. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Their first freaking box had, you know, that I saw a review on, had a fucking plate carrier. It had a great, I think it was by Manus Knives, Karambit. The second box was good. Third box was good. Then I went, okay, and started noticing a downhill trend. And I went, well, maybe they're just ramping up for some new stuff. Maybe they're getting new people in, you know, whatever. So I jumped on board. First problem I had, I couldn't pay with a credit card. I had to pay via PayPal. So they weren't supposed to take payment till the 15th. My first box payment came out on the 14th. So I was having money deposited on the 15th. I ended up getting a bounce check. That's not Barrel and Blade's fault. I had to do this via PayPal, and I didn't realize they were going to take stuff out early. The gear in my boxes, I really wasn't impressed with. I'm going to try to leave some cards. It's going to be either up there or up there of my Barrel and Blade boxes. I only really did reviews on 2 of them. Okay? I seriously wasn't impressed. But I canceled just simply because they dropped the ball with customer service. You know, I'm hearing some people got 2 boxes. I haven't heard a follow-up yet from Barrel and Blade about what the hell has happened and where these missing boxes are. What the heck? So the post office just lost them? You know? Somebody steal them? Where are they? What happened? Because I have a hard time believing y'all let some postman drive up to your front door, collect 7 or 8 boxes without scanning them. I mean, seriously. My first box was in pre-ship for 14 days until the second box went out. Then all of a sudden, it's It's been accepted by the post office. So, you know, that's my experience. I'm just letting you know, I'm apologizing to everyone in this video simply because I'm not going to do the last review. If you want to know honestly, go find Doc P91B. Go see his review. He did a good one. He always does great ones, but you'll like the way he does things. And if you want an exact flip, I can't believe I'm about to say this, go see Video Addict's page. They both have the opposite ends of the spectrum. So, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're a first-time viewer to my channel, you're going to see a symbol. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. It's going to be in one of these two corners. That's going to be my company logo. Click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've hit subscribe, you know, please click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you're going to see two of them pop up. I'm not sure which side of the page I'm going to put them on. But those are going to be ones that YouTube selects from my catalog that they think is going to be a good fit for you. Guys, thanks so much for watching this. I can't be doing this without you. And I am so grateful to all of you for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. Hope you guys are having a good one. Thanks for watching.